Mom's recipes are the best. They are close to home. And today I'm going to show you my mom's recipe, chicken kurma, that you're going to adore. Let's get started. So everything gonna happen in the same pot, which means not too many dishes. I'm just gonna heat it up and add a little bit of oil to the base. We need to add the whole spices to the warm oil. Stir them around until the cloves puff. Will start to smell the spices, and that's when you know you're ready for the next step. Indian cuisine needs some foundation flavors like onion, so I am adding chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, we need to saute for a few seconds and also need to make a paste with shallots and green chilies. So I'm adding that mixture. Now we need to add some ground spices. So I have chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and garam masala. I just absolutely adore the color, and we are gonna briefly saute the spices. You want them to release their natural oils, and that takes about 10 to 15 seconds. I'm going to generously season it with salt. This is a tomato based curry. So I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes. You can check the description box for the ingredient list. Now it's time for adding the chicken. You want them to be all at the same size so that they can cook evenly and into this amazing spiced tomato mixture. I'm going to toss it to coat all the chicken into the curry. Look at the color now. But trust me, something magical is gonna happen. It is going to taste amazing. Now we need to add the potatoes, some lemon juice, also we need to add the coconut milk. I'm gonna put a lid on it and pressure cook it for 4 whistles. Take the lid off, and it's time for garnishing. And the classic garnish for any curry is the addition of chopped coriander leaves. I know some of you guys call it cilantro. There we go. It's ready to eat. I think my mom would be proud for sure. You can have it with ghee rice. It tastes amazing. Thank you guys.